Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn more about Binance registration, deposit, and futures transaction methods on mobile devices. I will organize everything into easy-to-follow steps so that even those who are completely new to crypto can understand without difficulty. First, let's go over how to register for Binance. Before getting started, please install the Binance application on your mobile device. After the installation is finished, launch the Binance app. On the home screen, press the Sign Up button to start the registration procedure. Select whether you would prefer to sign up with your email address or your phone number. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Then tap Continue to proceed to the next step. Binance will send a verification code to the email or phone number you provided. Enter the received code into the verification field. After that, you will be prompted to set a secure password for your account. Your password must include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and it must be at least 8 characters in length. Once your password is created, you will be taken to the inviter confirmation screen. At this stage, be sure to choose Yes. When you select Yes, a field to input a referral code will appear. In that box, enter the referral code SKY333. By using this referral code, you will receive a 20% discount on trading fees as well as additional promotional rewards. Therefore, it is very important to enter this code before completing your registration. Now, let's move on to the identity verification, also known as the KYC process. Binance requires identity verification in order to enable deposits, trading activities, and withdrawals. First, select your nationality from the list shown on the screen. Next, choose the type of identification document you would like to submit. Several document options will be displayed. For most users, submitting a passport is the simplest and most convenient option. After preparing your document, tap Take Pictures to continue. Place your passport within the frame and take a clear photo of the information page. Next, you will proceed to the facial recognition verification step. Follow the instructions displayed on the screen carefully. Once all required steps are completed, your verification request will be submitted for review. The review process usually takes approximately 1 hour. After approval, your account status will change to verified. Next, we will set up Google Authenticator to enhance your account security. Return to the main page of the application. Tap the Binance logo located at the top left corner. Then select the arrow icon in the upper right area of the menu. Go to the Security section. From the available options, choose Authenticator app. Press Enable to start the configuration process. Enter the verification code that was sent to your email or phone. You will now see the Authenticator setup screen. Copy the 16-digit setup key displayed there. Next, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. After opening the app, tap the plus icon located at the bottom right corner. Select Enter a setup key. For the account name, enter Binance. In the key field, paste the 16-digit code you copied earlier. Tap Add to finalize the setup. A 6-digit verification code will now be generated within the app. Copy this 6-digit code. Go back to the Binance app and input the code into the Authenticator app code field. Enter the code carefully into the designated field. Once confirmed, your additional security setup will be successfully completed. To begin futures trading, you must switch your account to Pro mode. Return to the main home screen again. Tap the Binance logo in the top left corner. If you see the Binance Pro option, simply select it to activate Pro mode. Secondly, let's take a closer look at how to deposit funds using the peer-to-peer trading method. Tap the Assets icon positioned at the bottom right corner of the screen. The Futures wallet is designated specifically for futures trading activities. The Spot wallet is used for deposits, withdrawals, and standard spot trading. Choose Spot from the available menu options, then tap the Add Funds button. On the following screen, several funding methods will be displayed. For this tutorial, we will proceed with the peer-to-peer deposit method. Now, press the icon located in the top right corner of the page. Select the local currency you intend to use for your payment. Next, pick the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. In most situations, USDT is the most widely used and commonly preferred option. Tap the corresponding button to continue to the next stage. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Press the button once more to move forward. You will then be taken to a page that displays detailed payment information. A complete list of available sellers will appear on your screen. For security reasons, it is recommended to choose sellers who have high ratings and many successfully completed trades. Select one seller from the list, and tap the Buy button. Please note that certain sellers may request additional verification steps. Enter the exact purchase amount you plan to buy for this transaction. Before continuing, carefully review all of the seller's details. If all information appears accurate, tap Place Order to proceed. After submitting your order, the seller's bank account details will be shown. Before transferring any money, open the chat window and thoroughly read the seller's instructions. When making the payment, double-check the account holder's name and bank account number. Now complete the transfer using your chosen payment method. Once the payment has been sent, tap Upload Payment Proof. Upload at least one clear screenshot or transaction receipt as evidence of payment. After uploading the proof, check the confirmation box at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Transferred and choose Notify Seller to alert the seller that payment has been made. The USDT will shortly be released and automatically credited to your spot wallet. Finally, I will guide you step by step on how to trade using Binance Futures. Before executing any futures orders, you need to transfer funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Begin by opening your spot wallet. Within the spot wallet, tap Transfer to initiate the internal transfer process. Set the transfer direction from spot wallet to USDM futures. Then, choose the asset you intend to transfer, and input the amount you wish to move. After a brief moment, the transferred balance will be reflected in your futures wallet. To access the futures trading platform, tap the Futures tab located at the bottom right corner. The Binance Futures trading interface will then load on your screen. At the top left section, tap the Trading Pair area to select the market you want to trade. For this example, I will choose the BTC-USDT pair. Next, review the margin mode settings to align with your risk management strategy. In cross-margin mode, your entire available balance is shared among all open positions. In isolated margin mode, only the margin assigned to that particular position is used independently. For beginners, isolated mode is generally recommended because it helps limit potential losses. Now, adjust the leverage setting for your trade. Binance provides leverage options of up to 150x. While higher leverage may amplify profits, it also greatly increases the level of risk. If you are new to futures trading, using lower leverage is strongly recommended. Next, decide the direction of your trade based on your market prediction. If you expect the price to go up, tap Buy to open a long position. If you expect the price to decline, tap Sell to open a short position. Here, you can check the margin available for your order. Below that section, select the order type that suits your trading strategy. You can choose either a limit order or a market order. Enter your desired order price along with the quantity you intend to trade. If you anticipate a price increase, tap Buy Long to place the order. If you anticipate a price decrease, tap Sell Short to place the order. By selecting the Positions tab at the bottom, you can track the real-time status of your open positions. ROI displays your current profit or loss percentage. Entry price shows the average price at which your position was opened. Marked price reflects the current reference price in the market. Liquidation price indicates the price at which your position will be automatically liquidated. To better manage risk, tap TPSL to configure take profit and stop loss settings. When you are ready to exit the trade, tap the Close button. Choose whether to close your position at the current market price, or by placing a limit order at a specific price. Enter the closing price and the amount you wish to close. Then tap Confirm. After confirmation, your position will be fully closed. Today, for those who are just getting started with Binance, we explored in detail how to create an account and how to engage in futures trading. If you encountered any confusion or have additional questions while watching, please feel free to leave a comment below. I will carefully review your comments and do my best to respond as quickly as possible. Thank you very much for staying with me until the end of the